Hello, my name is Omar Araujo, and I'll be given the subject of types of analysis. It's known as a process of analysis, which is the part of a given element or division of a study of their nature. This means such an analysis performs an special purchase to an as subject, conclusion, or ponder about a person, object, or conclusion. It is known to develop a subject of a study in all its parts and determining each study in order to understand how it belongs to an object of any study. In conclusion, it can be said that an analysis can be in that identified as a complement of a whole separated and examined to given axes on their basic transitions. This actually means that when an analysis is when we get information, well, first of all, we have a problem. We're going to analyze the problem. We're going to try to separate it in so many ways, ideas. We're going to investigate all of those ideas so we could understand better the problem.
Types of analysis. Under the concept of analysis, it means the process of separation of part of given element to study their function, meaning, and nature. This process can be applied in different fields. One of them is technology to address those main products to market. When studying, you can apply different types of analysis. Structural. The means of this analysis is to determine which units that make up the products and how they relate to each other are. In this case, the product is seen as a set of related in order to fulfill the function for which they were manufactured elements. In this analysis, what should be done is to determine the product, quantify and identify parts on their operation to establish how they connect to each other. Manfaat local. This analysis attempts to describe the shape of the product in question. This form of descriptive analysis moves result to creation of descriptive codes that help make reading the product and also to use of shared models, scales, and plans to determine their appearance and size.
Under the concept of analysis, it meant the process of separation of parts of a given element to study their function, meaning, and nature. This process can be applied in different fields. One theme is technology, the others to make products to be manufactured. When a student, you can apply different types of analysis. Structural. The means of this analysis is determine which units that make up the product and how they relate the cause of error. In this case, the product is seen as set of interrelated in order to follow the function to which they were manufactured element. In this analysis, what should be done to discern the product, quantity, and identify parts of the operation to establish how they connect to each other. Morphological. This analysis attempts to describe the shape of the product in question. This form of descriptive analysis must resort to creation of descriptive codes that help make reading the products and also the use of charts, models, scales, and plans to determine their appearance and size. Operating through its analysis is to determine how the product works. This should clarify their performance operating cost, energy use, among other factors. In order to perform this analysis is to identify and ideally working to determine how the different parts that make up the product and how this is assisting the operation of the product itself.